Hey, this is Leroy with Around My House, and today we're going over and getting some compost from the city compost pile. So they collect yard waste and leaves, and they even have a collection for food stuff. So here we see on the right our nice big compost pile that they allow us access to. And behind the gate we have the compost piles that they're working on. So we're just going to turn it back up here and load the car up with some compost. So that's good. Backed up. Swing around and show the compost pile. Alright, so this is our big pile, and we're going to get some out of that. And so I just took and threw some plastic in here. This is actually my second load. You can see some stuff, and so this stuff is composting quite well. It's actually warm on the inside from all the composting action. So I'm going to turn the camera off and load things up. Alright, so we got the car all full up, and you can kind of get a close-up of the stuff. So you can see a lot of leaf in there. The one thing I don't like is sometimes you get a little bit of plastic bags. I think, when they pick up the food waste, they have containers for you. And I think people line them with plastic, and I think that's where some of the plastic's coming from. Also, you got these paper bags, big paper bags you get from like Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, that people fill up, so that doesn't rot as fast as leaves. So as you can see, this stuff isn't very old, so the leaves aren't that decayed yet. I actually have got like a 3 cubic yard load that was moved down into my backyard. It's like 5-6 years old. It's actually finished decaying and it's pretty nice. You don't really see much in it other than little bits and pieces of plastic bags. But this isn't too bad. And also I want to show you over here, we got like wood chips. So you got, if you want like wood chips, they got those too. And I think a lot of cities do this now. Maybe not all of them, but any place that's like picking up yard waste is going to have this, and a lot of it's free if you come get it yourself. If you want it delivered, then it's like maybe 40-50 bucks for 3 cubic yards, and 60-70 something for like 7 cubic yards. But anyway, see, it's a nice big pile. So that's it. We're going to take this home and go and wheelbarrow it to our garden.